how to rotate Snapchat screen on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you have ever tried to rotate the Snapchat screen on your iPad, you might have noticed it doesn't work. You might have tried to swipe down and then turn off the rotation lock and then turn it around, but it won't make a difference. Unfortunately, there's no official way to change this setting within the app itself. However, there is a workaround that can help you use Snapchat in landscape mode. So, what you can do is you can access Snapchat through your web browser. So you can go to Safari or Google Chrome and then search for web.snapchat.com as shown on the screen and then hit go. Now, keep in mind that Snapchat web defaults to the mobile version, which may still be locked in portrait mode. Now, to fix this, go to the three dots on the top right and then scroll down and you will see request desktop site. Tap on it and you can see that Snapchat for web only supports the latest version of Chrome, Edge and Safari. So make sure that you have the latest version and then you can easily rotate the Snapchat screen on iPad. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.